In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts to Freshdesk. By the end, you'll confidently bring your contact list into Freshdesk without missing key details or creating duplicates. Start on your Freshdesk dashboard and head to the Customers area. On the left sidebar, hover over the icon that looks like a person to reveal the Customers menu. Then choose Contacts. This opens your contacts list where you'll see an import button at the top right. Click that to begin. Next, upload your file. Freshdesk accepts CSV files, so if your data is in a spreadsheet, make sure you've saved it as a CSV. Keep one contact per row, include a clear header row, and remove any extra blank lines or hidden columns to avoid mapping confusion. You can drag and drop your CSV into the window or click Upload File and pick it from your computer. Once the file is in, you'll move to the mapping screen. Mapping is the most important part. On this screen, you'll match the columns from your CSV to Freshdesk fields. Two fields are mandatory: full name and email. If either isn't mapped, the import won't proceed. Carefully select the correct matches so names and email addresses land in the right place. You can also map optional fields like phone and company, along with any custom fields you already use in Freshdesk. Consistent formatting helps a lot here. Keep phone numbers in a uniform style, use consistent company names, and make sure custom field types in Freshdesk match the data in your file. If a column in your CSV isn't needed, you can leave it unmapped. Before you run the import, choose how you want Freshdesk to handle duplicates. Duplicates are identified by email address. If you select Skip, any row with an email that already exists in Freshdesk will be ignored, preserving your current data. If you select Overwrite, the existing contact will be updated with the new information from your file. Use Skip when you're adding only new contacts. Use Overwrite when you're intentionally refreshing or correcting existing records. If you're unsure, a quick review of your CSV and a backup copy is a smart precaution. When everything looks correct, click Import. Freshdesk will process the file in the background so you can continue working. When it's finished, you'll receive an email summary that outlines how many contacts were created, updated, or skipped. If the report flags any issues, they're usually due to unmapped required fields or invalid emails. After the summary arrives, a quick spot check of a few contacts is a helpful final confirmation. That's it, your contacts are now in Freshdesk.